try to measure every line to make the world fall into time. But in the cracks, the truth appeared. Perfection fades when love is near. I'm perfectly human, learning to be, letting go of what's expected of me. The rhythm of life, the breath, the pause, reminds me that I'm more than flaws. The lists I wrote, the rules I made, all faded softly, unafraid. Now I find peace in what's undone. The healing starts when day is done. I trade the chase for calm and grace. The mirror smiles, I know my place. Each step, each flaw, each fleeting part builds the beauty of this heart. I'm perfectly human, learning to be, letting go of what's expected of me.